Punta tayo sa UK Premier 1 race lop. Ito, bibili muna tayo ng kape para maganda ang biyahe. Hi, can I have one latte? Magandang araw at ma-blue sky ngayon. Napakagandang araw ngayon para sa karera ni Jeremy, ni Mr. Jeremy. Ayun na nga guys, hindi natin nalilinis si Blue. Oh, tapon. Dito tayo pupunta. Oo. Ayun o.
Yeah. That's all right.
Continue straight for 1 hour and 4 minutes to junction 15 to A346, A419.
Yan na nga, bali naka-prepare na ng konti. Ako yung babarbecue dito. So 2 oras pa raw darating na yung mga ibon. Doon daw, doon manggagaling. Gandang lugar din, napakalaking tulong. Hi sir,
Hello,
how are you sir?
all right, thank you.
You are the one waiting for the bird?
Yes, yes.
Oh. And how many birds you have today?
5.
And then last year did you do?
We had so many.
Oh, what happened?
I was late for me.
How many champions you had last year?
Champion, no.
None.
Winners, 1 or 2. But 3 years ago, I was 6th in this one. And last week, I won one of them, the Premier.
How much?
Worked out to 42,000.
42,000. Wow. Look, guys, coming in UK Premier Lop because a lot of money to win.
This is Alan.
Ah.
I'm Ken, and this is Alan.
Oh, nice to meet you, sir.
Yep.
And I hope see you next year again here. And today you make money.
Yeah, I hope so. You'll see us if we win anything.
Okay.
You'll know.
You know the wind. The wind. They know who's gonna be winner.
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. Okay. Enjoy.
And yourself.
Okay.
And thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. So yun na nga. Totoo. So yun na nga. Padating na mga tao. Padating na. Ayan na. Ayan na. Ayan na. Final race ng the UK Premier Lock race, boss. 32,000 this year the prize winner, and last year 42, and that man is the winner last year. So yun na nga. Ayun ang mga tao nag-aantay ng kanilang ibon. Yan ang champion, 42,000 pinanalunan ni po
She moves like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named while I stay in my lane. But something in the way she moves keeps pulling at
Sino
my
kaya
chain.
nag-champion?
Oh, traveler,
Pumasok sa
you
ibon.
carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may
32,000
never
ang
get the chance
premyo.
to walk beside
So,
your one
Final race nito. 32,000 na. Money. Ayun na. Oh. Blue
She
Barrow.
hums a tune I've never
Blue
heard
Barrow.
in languages I
Dark
can't
blue
speak. She writes down cities on her wrist and dreams she'll never keep.
Come on in, come on
I
in.
sip my
Come on
coffee, miss my cue, still anchored by my fear. But time rolls on like open road, and soon she won't be here.
Ayun po.
Oh, traveler,
Oh, one more.
you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance. Maybe next year in Madrid or on some quiet mountain ridge,
Pangatlo.
I'll see you turn and I'll be
Fourth place.
brave. But what if courage comes too
Fourth
late?
place. Pasok.
Oh,
Blue
traveler,
Bar.
the world is your
Blue bar.
open gate.
Andun naka-record to si
And
doon naka-record
I
itong sino.
just
Doon
stood
naka-record sa TV.
afraid of fate. If I don't take that step today, you'll
Matutulog ang aking
vanish
niluluto.
with the train,
One more?
and I'll never see your
Fourth
smile
place na.
again.
Sir. Greece. Ah, red. 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 So yun na nga, kami nagliligpit na dito. At yung ibang mga tayo nag-alisan na. Bali, ano lang, matindi ang race ngayon dahil $300 mahigit yung ano pinalipad, pero ang dumarating pa lang ito pala, lilima pa lang yata. Yung mga ibang ibon na yung naligaw. Siguro ko yan, oh. Malakas ang hangin, ulan. So, yun na nga. Ito na. Uwian na tayo. 2 oras at 45 minutos ang biyahe. So, yun na nga si Jeremy. Kararating lang, oh. Biruin mo yun. Ngayon lang dumating. Ang layo ng biyahe. Ano? So, natapos na nga. Parang 12 lang ang umuwi, o 15. Wala na. Bukas na inuwi. Siguro nadala yun ng hangin sa ulan. Mga ganun. So, yun nga guys. Pauwi na tayo. Yun ang panalo. Maliit lang. Small lang, no? Small. Small. Lucky.
Yeah.
Somebody 30 grand, anyway.
Yeah.
So yun na nga, dito na tayo nagtapos. Tayo'y uuwi na ng London. Nice. Pagod din, ah. So yun na nga, natapos na. So yun na nga, bili muna tayo ng makakain. At gutom na. Ano kaya mabili? Pagod din, ah. Kaya mabili. Parang masarap ito. Hindi masyala. Kepo. Kepo. Oh, di kebab.